We started off by carrying out a creative consultation to assess Anna-Marie's complexion, skin tone and eye colour for us to be able to create the perfect shade of blonde to suit her natural complexion. The sectioning pattern was then carried out by dividing the hair into 4 different areas. The remaining hair was clipped away using TIGI Pro sectioning clips. The True Light White was then mixed to preferred consistency. We started off by applying the mixture from the crown area using horizontal partings, continuing through to the nape area. We used the same application approach until the back section was complete. Through the front section, we use vertical partings from the crown towards the hairline. We apply the True Light onto the root area in the same manner until the section is complete. We then process and develop the colour for 30 minutes. After development time, the SOS Extreme Recovery treatment was applied for 5 minutes. TIGI Copyright Colour Gloss was used for the toning service. A classic toning service was carried out, starting from the nape, working towards the hairline. The toner was then removed using the repair range from TIGI Copyright.
Once the colour has been completed, we start to create our shape. We comb everything down and start with our baseline at the back. Just really taking off the ends and creating a square baseline all the way through to the front. What we want to achieve here is very little cut. It's not what we're actually cutting off, it's what we're leaving behind. A little bit of slide cutting through the front area on both sides will allow us just to get a little bit of graduation and softness within our perimeter, but keeping the corner at the bottom of your one length. Applying some split end preparing cream, placing this all over the hair and begin drying the hair. We're going to dry all the hair off before we then personalize and texturize the hair, and we do this dry, pulling the hair up, slide cutting and point cutting, so we create a more even texture within the layering of the hair. Some fine slide cutting at the front and through the top just to connect our layers through to the baseline. This allows us to get a little bit more of an even shape and length throughout the hair. Drying the hair, creating that volume, just perfecting the ends using a brush. And just moving the hair different ways so you can see getting much healthier hair, keeping it very simple.